Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis. You know, I'm out sourcing again. Yeah, before I tell you what I got, let me tell you what this is. Yeah, have you ever heard of American Pickers? Have you ever heard my boy Matt with part-time pickers? Have you ever heard of Garage Flips? Have you ever heard of Cincinnati Picker? Well, you know what? We pick in the hood too. Yeah. Okay, let me show y'all what I found today. Yeah. I got a couple of items that I found. This right here, I really didn't know what it was until I read it. 25 cents. See that 25 cents right there? There's some kind of bird feeder stuff. You know, you turn it to gelatin or whatever, and you feed birds with it. I don't care. Selling for $5 and something on eBay. Almost $6. I'm gonna ask $6.50 for it, and I paid 25 cents for it. I got 3 of them. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So then I got something else. Damn, this one open. Hold on. Let me get one that's closed. Y'all ever heard of Allen Roth? That's a name brand from Lowe's. Allen Roth collection. I looked this up. This is like $7 or $8. See how much that is? 25 cents. See that? I'm putting on that for $8. You know, and hopefully it sell. I got 6 of them. Let me tell you what else I got. I picked up this. It's another one of those weed eater, Black & Decker. I think that's Black & Decker. Yeah, Black & Decker. See how much that is? $1. Selling for $10 on eBay right now. $10. I got 2 of them. I was trying to find more. Got 2 of them. Yeah, let me show you what else. See these little things right here? I'm paying 10 cents for these. See these? 10 cents. $7 on eBay. For this little thing right here. $7. I paid 10 cents for it. I'm getting ready to pay 10 cents for it. Yeah, and I'm just walking around here sourcing because I had to come in here and get some plumbing stuff for the sink I'm putting together, this bathroom I'm putting together in my house. Firefighter themed bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Firefighter theme. You know? So, anyway, I'm just showing y'all that you can source while you in the coronavirus thing going on. You still can source. Let me see what else I got. Hold on. Oh, I forgot about these. Yeah. See these little knobs right here? They're going to charboil grill. Little knob, look at that, $1.24. They selling on eBay for $8. I'm gonna ask $10 for it, free shipping. So $2 with shipping on there. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, I might have the coronavirus. What the hell? Anyway, so yeah, y'all can walk around with me a little bit. I'm not doing nothing but walking through here. I'm almost at the end of my walkthrough. So that's all the stuff I found. You know what I mean? I don't care. Every penny count. Every penny count. So anyway, I'm just gonna walk around here a little more and walk a couple more aisles. You know, but I just wanted to show y'all that you can source while this coronavirus thing going around. I just want to make a quick video saying that these hardware stores are gonna stay open, you know, and so people like me can get in here and buy stuff and go make some money. You know what I mean? So while the coronavirus is, damn, look at a big dent in my face. Anyway, while the coronavirus is gone, we still pick, especially in the hood. We pick in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I found today. You know, I'm finished walking around here. There was some more stuff, but it wasn't the price that I needed it at. You know, I get cheap stuff. I get cheap, 25 to $1. Sometimes I pay up. Let me see what this stuff is. See that 62 cents? I don't know what it is. Shutter fasteners. Regular price is $9.98. For the regular price, these shutter fasteners right there. See that 62 cents? See that? See what the regular price is? So I'm finna look these up right quick, and I'll get back with you. See what these selling for. Hold on a minute. Remember, you know, thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't, and subscribe. And just remember.
All right, so what we gonna say?
Hold on, let me show you. Let me get it together first. Hey y'all, this Kevin. This Kevin from St. Louis. Come on over, little man. Come on.
It's okay.
This Kevin from St. Louis, and y'all know me. Y'all know me. Yeah, this guy right there. He's a what you do? Your handyman work like me. He do handyman stuff. But I just want y'all to say, I want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. I'm sorry.